Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Keysa Salma Nazkia with student ID number 124490060. And today in this video, I'm going to be making tutorial on how to make your own custom footprint with your major logo and my name on it. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you would need is the data sheet of the component you are making. I will be making a tiny4 TSHR. You can just scroll down. When you find it, you can just scroll down and look for the packaging information over here. And if you go down there, you can see the information on it, like the common dimension. This will be your guide to making your footprint. After you've done that, you go to key chat, and then you just make your new project. I'm gonna call mine task 2. Let's not put this here. This here, task 2. You save that, and then you can start making your footprint in the footprint editor. Just wait for a moment because it's gonna take a while. Alright, so here we're in the footprint editor. Here we can start making the footprint. We go to new, you can use Control N, but my Control N isn't really working right now, so new footprint, and you can change the name of everything. I'm gonna change it to the name of the component I'm making, so that would be a tiny4 TSHR. Okay, there we go. Let's move this up a little bit. After we're done, we can start making the component with this guy. So for example, we need the length and the width of the component, which is the D times E, which you can see here, that is either this or the minimal being 1.95 and the maximum being 2.05. I'm going to use the normal, which is 2 millimeters, with the E, which is also 2 millimeters. So it's a 2 by 2 or 2 times 2 millimeters square. You can grab a box here. The box, your rectangle here, and you can just start making. It doesn't matter how, if you want to do it on your own or manually, or you can put your command. There you go, 2 by 2 millimeters. You can also press E or what is it called? Right click and then go to properties, and then you can just 2 by 2. That was next and next. Like 2 by 2. As you can see, it's going to be making like a perfect square, 2.2 and 2 by 2, and then you can adjust the name That's a bit big. Let's go to 0.05 should be page 0.05. We can do the same to this. Keep forgetting. So 0.5 times 0.5. Yes, I know. And then we also have 0.5 and 0.5. I know. And then we can drag this, and then from here, and then you can start making the pin. As you can see here, it is seen by this. It is L times B, which you can see over here is 0.3 and B. B is either minimum of 0.2 or 0. Since there's no normal, I'm just gonna choose 0.2. For the pin, you can choose this, the pads. Yes, it's a bit big. You can cancel on the second one. And then here you double click, you can adjust to your specification. For example, we need, I forgot, the to be 0.30 and then 0.2. Yeah, 0. Then you can just okay that, rotate. And then you can well, you can determine the length like this between the two pins with the E, so 0.5 can use this. go. And then we can do the other side. Like that, and you can now remove it like from 1 to 4, or you can follow this one. So we can just double click and then change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you're done, you can save it. Project, you can call it that tiny or TSHR, and it will upgrade your footprint libraries on its own. Now we wait for a moment while it loads. There we go. So if we go here, test 2, be up at 24. And then if we now we need to add the logo, source image, go let's do 30, and then you can adjust the black and white threshold in this. I'm gonna do this should be fine. And then you can choose, and then you need to choose the footprint, and then export to file. You can choose a new footprint. After you've done that, you can go to your PCB editor, because that's where your footprint are going to be. Okay, there we go. And then can just add your footprint here until it's load, and there we go. Ego. So you can see it's a bit small because it is small. It is meant to be small. And then you can also get the logo. Here. It's a bit big, but you can of course resize it to it was 0, so we can do 0 0.5 by 0.5. Well, Next, you can just add your name with the text box. You can also add a triangle to finish it up, and there it is. My custom footprint with your logo and your name and student ID. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if there's anything wrong that I said. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.